Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's training, I'll be showing you guys how you can design an online trading platform, right? With create NFT features, deposits features, withdrawal features, and so on and so forth, right? So I'm going to go through this website with you guys so that you see how this website looks like, right? Can you see that? Can you see that it's a very colorful website, and also it has you can change the background. You have white and dark background. Can you see that? Can you see that the website is well designed and well colorful and looks professional as well, right? So this is a trading website. What I'll be doing today is I will show you guys how I was able to design this kind of website within 30 minutes, right? And you can also follow the same steps that I followed in also to design this for your clients as well and your friends, right? And you can charge them. Okay. So you have to pay attention to this. Okay. So this is the about us. This is the about us page. I'm going to show you guys everything. Can you see? It's very beautiful and very sleek website. So I want to go ahead and log in inside this website now, right? So that we can see how the dashboard looks like. Okay. So I'm going to log in. I already have an account, so I'm just click on sign in. Awesome, guys. Can you see that? Can you see that this is a very powerful investment script? This is a very powerful with a very beautiful dashboard as well, right? So as you can see here, this is the place trade feature. Here you can place your trade. You select the asset you want to trade, right? Select the amount for how many minutes trade you want. Is it 30 minutes? Select available balance, right? And click on buy, right? Right, guys. So that's it about the place trade features. We also have claim bonus. So if you have any bonus or referral, this is where it's going to apply and you can claim it, right? This is the markets. This is the commodities. Sorry, the network is slow, but it's going to load. Awesome. Can you see that? So these are the commodities. This is the deposit. So this is the deposit right here, right? So you just put amount you want to deposit, put the amount you want to deposit. This is the trading balance, right? Click on proceed. Okay. So once you click on proceed, it's going to ask you to select a payment method. So if I'm going to choose any payment method there. Once you choose that, you can click on proceed, right? Awesome. Can you see that? So I'll just copy this, then I make payment and send it. They are going to receive my payment, right? Admin is going to approve it once you receive my payment, and my investment will start reading, right? So that is it about deposit. We also have a withdrawal. We also have a withdrawal. You choose a payment method for withdrawal, right? Choose the available balance, and then you type in your wallet address here. Then click on submit. Then admin is going to see that and approve it or disapprove it. So this is how this script works. Is there any other one we've not explained? Okay, this is the upgrade plan. So this is here. You can upgrade your plan, right? You can upgrade your plan. Upgrade it from 1,000. So we cannot upgrade it because we don't have any money in our dashboard, right? But this is it here. Okay. We also have a copy trader. You can copy traders actions, right? So this is the market, this is the home, this is my trade. So all the trade you make is going to appear here, right? All the trade you make is going to appear here. We've talked about the deposits, the buy NFTs, create NFTs, copy traders, all transaction, right? All the transaction you make is going to appear here. Can you see the deposits that we did? They are still pending. Okay, once I'm doing approve it now, it's going to reflect on our dashboard, right? So this is it. So this is all about this website. We are going to go ahead now. So I'll show you how I was able to design this website, okay? Within 30 minutes and we are done. So the next thing to do now, I will go over to my cPanel. I'm going to head over to my cPanel right now. So once you buy a domain and hosting, the hosting company is going to send you a cPanel login, right? Once you get your cPanel login, you can then go ahead and log into your cPanel. And once, right, so this is my cPanel. Once you get to your cPanel, click on File Manager. So once your File Manager open, see this public underscore HTML here. Right click on it to open. Can you see that the directory is empty? So there is nothing on this website right now, right? But we are going to change all that, right? So I'm going to upload the script now. So don't worry, all you have to do is pay attention to the end of this video, okay? Because at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get access to this script that we are using for this training, right? So just pay attention right now. Then I'll click on upload. I'm going to upload the script right now, right? So I already have the script. If you need access to it, I'll leave my number below the description on this video. So this is it here. I'll click on it to open. So do not close this tab until this blue bar here turns green, right? If you close this tab and this blue bar did not turn green, you may not get the same result with me, right? So you have to be patient. If you like, you can buy soft drink or juice and be waiting for it, okay? So you need to be patient. That's one characteristics of a web designer. Awesome. So the script have been uploaded. It has turned green. I can now go ahead and close this tab. Then I'll reload or refresh. Awesome. Can you see that? So I'm going to extract. So right click. I'll click on extract here. Yes, I want to extract inside public underscore HTML. I'll click on that. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. Can you see that, guys? So I'll click on close. Then I'll open this Frontier folder. I want these files here to be in my public underscore HTML. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select all, click on move, then I'll erase this folder that it is on so that it can be inside my public underscore HTML. Okay, so I'll click on move files. Click on awesome. Can you see that the file have been moved to this place? I can now go ahead and delete this zip file. Awesome. Can you see that he also has installation guide? So I will give you access to everything, right? I'll give you access to everything. So I'm going to create a database. But before I create a database, let's get our SQL file. So this is the SQL file we'll be making use of today. I'll download it here. Yes, I'll download it. I'll download it. Then I'll go back to my cPanel here. I'll go back to my cPanel. I'll look for database wizard, right? So look at it here, database wizard, or you can search for it with this search tools here. Anyone, it will going to appear for you. I'm going to click on the database wizard. Please, you need to pay attention because this is a very technical work. If you don't pay attention, you are going to get it wrong, right? So guys, but if you encounter any problem as we are doing this, you can chat me up or comment below this video and I'm going to provide solution for you. So I'm going to name it Elite DB. I'm going to name it Elite DB, right? That's the database name. That's the database name. So I'm going to create a database user now. I can name it Elite user. Can name it Elite user. Then I'll click on this password generator here to generate a password. I'm going to copy this password that I've generated for us. Then I'll click on I have copied this password in a safe place. So what I normally do is that I'm going to save this inside my notes because I'll be needing it, right? So make sure you can save it anywhere you like. Just make sure you don't lose the password. So I'm save it here in my notes, right? Then I'll click on use password. Can I see that? Then I'll click on create user. Awesome. So after creating the user, I'll come ahead, click on all privileges. But before then, I'm going to copy this username and database name here and also save it in my notes. So I'll save it in my notes as well. Then after that, I can now come down here and click on next step. Awesome. Can you see that we have created the database name and the database user? So I'm going to look for phpMyAdmin. So click on phpMyAdmin right here. Look at the database we've created. I'll click on it. Click on import. I'll click on it. Click on import. Then I'm going to choose file. I'm going to choose file. So this is the database. I'll upload the database file. Don't worry, I'll give you access to both files. Just pay attention. Then I'll click on import. Awesome. Can you see that it have successfully imported our what? Our database. So I'll just close this tab now. Then go back to my public underscore HTML inside my cPanel, right? So you look for .env file, but before then, just come to this setting. If it's not showing on your own, click on home delivery and show hidden files. Then I'll click on save. Awesome. So after that, I'm going to those details that I saved. I'm going to use them on my website now. So this is the connect PHP. You see it inside this folder, inside this ops folder here. So let's open it, then open edit the connect.php file. You open it to edit, right guys? Can you see that here, guys? So I'm going to copy the database name, then I'll come back, come here, paste it. So I'm going to copy the password that I created. You see why I say that you are going to need it. So you have to save it somewhere safe. I'll put it in between the commas, the two commas. Please make sure you don't make mistake here. Then finally the database username that I'm going to paste it here as well. Right? So after that, I'm going to click on save changes. So you can also set up your website username here. You can set up your website name here, set up your website email as well. So I'm also going to show you where you can set up your email so that your email will be working as well, right? So this is the mail.php. I'll also edit that. That's for if you want your mail to be working, okay? So here you just put in your mail details as well, right? So let me quickly create a mail. So I can name it support. I'll generate a password for it. I'll copy the password, copy password, then I'll click on create. Then I'll come here, put in the password that I just created, the mail password. I'll also go back and copy my email username. Right? So after that, I'll click on save changes. So that's it. If I go back to my cPanel now and load my website, awesome, guys. This is beautiful, guys. Can you see that? Can you see that in the space of 30 minutes, we are now able to design this beautiful investment website, trading website that you are seeing on my screen? And if you can just get the script, get access to this script, and you can do the same thing. You can charge your friends or clients. And the one thing I teach in this channel is how to be smart, how to make money in a smart way, right? And this is one of them. So you don't need any knowledge of coding for you to be able to design this kind of trading website, right? And get paid. Okay. So if you need access to this script, guys, chat me up. I will leave my number in the description below this video. I will give you access to both files, right? All right, guys. So this is the end of the training. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment on our videos, right? So that we'll keep on creating more updates for you guys. Thank you.